Apple's AirPods Pro are some of the most popular wireless earbuds in the world, known for their sleek design, powerful sound, and seamless integration with Apple devices. But before you even start listening to music, there's one experience Apple is famous for: the unboxing. Today we're taking a closer look at what it's like to open a brand new pair of AirPods Pro. Peeling this off is always satisfying, especially when you know you're about to open a brand new piece of tech. Once the seal is removed, the top lid lifts smoothly off the box. The first thing we see inside is a small envelope labeled "Designed by Apple in California." This is a classic element of Apple packaging and contains the documentation that comes with the product. After removing the documentation, we finally get our first look at the main product. One of the standout features of the AirPods Pro is the silicone ear tips. These tips help create a better seal in your ear, which improves both comfort and sound quality. They also play a big role in the active noise cancellation feature that the AirPods Pro are known for. We can find the charging cable neatly wrapped and ready to use. This cable is used to charge the AirPods case so it can keep the earbuds powered throughout the day. The compact charging case acts like a portable battery, allowing you to recharge your AirPods multiple times while you're on the go. The case has Apple's signature glossy white finish and a compact design that easily fits into a pocket or bag. The hinge feels solid, and the lid opens smoothly with a satisfying click. Inside the case are the AirPods Pro earbuds themselves. Each earbud is placed securely inside the charging case, where they charge automatically when not in use. Taking a closer look at the earbuds, you'll notice the small microphone openings and sensors built into the design. These components help power features like voice calls, noise cancellation, and automatic ear detection. Despite their tiny size, AirPods Pro pack a lot of technology into a very small form factor. Overall, the unboxing experience is simple, clean, and very typical of Apple. Everything inside the box is neatly arranged, making the process feel polished and premium from start to finish. And that's everything you'll find inside the AirPods Pro box. If you enjoyed this unboxing, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews, unboxings, and gadget content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.